Team, has Blackstone met its match with the new Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle? Stick around and find out. Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, team, what are we doing here today? That's right, we got a little comparison going on today. We have the new Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle going against my Blackstone 28-inch air fryer griddle combo. Now, I've been kind of teasing this video for a while now. This is the best I could do to come up with a comparison. The Blackstone with the air fryer, obviously, the air fryer is not gonna play in this comparison. All right, so just kind of leave that to the side, if you will. We're really just focusing on the griddles for this comparison, okay? So I'm gonna take you through the kind of the pros and cons of each. I know there are tons of Blackstone owners out there, and a lot of them kind of follow me because I've done plenty of Blackstone cooks. I have a 17-inch Blackstone. I have the 28-inch Blackstone, and I have the E-Series 17-inch Blackstone. I've done videos on them, so you can check those out if you want, but you know, I'm just providing the kind of like the features for both and let you guys make up your mind on how you guys want to go, okay? Real quick, team, I want to give a kind of a disclaimer on this one. I am Team Pit Boss. I have worked with Pit Boss for a number of years now. I'm going to give my most unbiased opinion. I'm not gonna so much put these against each other. I'm just gonna show you the features of both and let you make a decision on what you think is a better option. If you think that the Ultimate Griddle is gonna give the Blackstone a run for its money, check it out, all right? But again, I am part of Team Pit Boss, okay? So I just wanna lay that out there straight away, so you know I'm being upfront with you. I am very familiar with Blackstone and their company. I know a lot of people have questioned how the Pit Boss stacks up to the Blackstone. To me, it all kind of boils down to one thing, and I'll give you guys, you know, the stats on both, the features for both, if you will, but it just boils down to the griddle surface. On the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle, it's a ceramic surface. It's a non-stick surface. It's a surface that you do not need to season, cure, any of that stuff, all right? It is insanely easy to clean, and like I say, there's no seasoning that goes along with it. On your Blackstone, you got the rolled still that you actually have to season up, burn in. Cleaning is a bit of a chore, and we're gonna go over all that stuff. For my little comparison cook that I've come up with, I'm gonna do some smash burgers because it's easy, it's lunchtime, and people love their smash burgers on their griddles, right? It's not gonna be a smash burger cooking video. It's gonna just be, you know, I'm gonna show you how the smash burgers actually cook on there, okay? Show you the caramelization, the Maillard reaction, that crust that you get on your smash burgers. I'm gonna show you that you can get it on the non-stick griddle just as easily as you get it on the Blackstone griddle, okay? Go ahead and put your comments down below what you think after you watch this all the way through, what you think is the better griddle, what you'd like me to do for another comparison video. I'm gonna try to get a couple of these in there for you guys, you know, cheesesteaks, pancakes, whatever, right? Whatever you guys wanna see in a comparison video, put the comments down below, okay? I just want to show you the quick features of both these griddles. On the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle, there's 647 inches of griddle space. On the Blackstone 28-inch, there's 613 square inches. On the Blackstone, you have 2 burners. On the Ultimate Griddle, there are 4 burners, and I really do like that they both come with lids. For me, that's good at keeping the wind away. It's keeping the griddle surfaces cleaner, and it helps when you're melting some cheese, right? You want to put the lid down, dome it. You don't need an extra dome for cooking and melting cheese and whatnot. On the Blackstone's lid, it's a little bit wonky. It's not as sturdy as you would like it to be. It works, it's fine, kind of wiggles as you open and jiggles as you close, right? On the Pit Boss's lid, it's very smooth. One motion, you're good to go. We'll go over the cleaning later of both these griddles, so you guys want to stick around for that. They both have side folding shelves. My Blackstone has the cabinet underneath where you store the fuel bottle. On the Pit Boss, the fuel is on the side underneath one of the shelves, and there is no cabinet, it's just a bottom shelf. There is a Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle option for the 5 burner that has the cabinet and a couple drawers underneath. Check that out. My guy Tommy at Gallery Backyard BBQ has that one. I'll put a link for his channel up there. And and one of the Waltwins, Brett, got that one at his house. I know they filmed together. One got an Ultimate Griddle, the other one got the Sierra griddle from Walmart, both from Pit Boss. I'll put a link for their channel up there too for the Waltwins, so check them out. All three of us have come together and started working with Pit Boss on these Ultimate Griddles and the Sierra version of the Ultimate Griddle that you get from Walmart. We have set up a Facebook group. If you're on Facebook and you want to learn more about these griddles, I'll put a link down below for it. Some of the extra features you'll find on this Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle, it's stuff you never think about, but it's kind of a cool little addition, is having the paper towel holder in the bottom there and having a little trash bag holder, trash can holder that slides out on the side. It's the little things like that that you don't think you need until you need them, and then they're cool to have. Okay. On the Blackstone, there is a magnetic tool strip holder on one of the shelves, so that's a pretty handy deal right there. The grease management for the Blackstone is there's an opening in the back that you push all the grease to. On my patio here, it's kind of graded, so there's runoff from either the pool or just weather and sprinklers and whatnot. So you have to, it's like any other griddle, you want to get it on a level surface as best you can. For me, in my backyard, the Pit Boss having the grease management on the left and in the front is beneficial for me, and I'll go over that later while we're cooking. Okay, they both have electronic igniters. Okay, so it's really easy to turn it on. Turn on one of the knobs, hit the button, fires it up. Turn on the knob, fire it up. Okay, real simple, but simple things are usually the best things when it comes to outdoor cooking and griddling and all that. So it's a good thing to have. One of the interesting things that the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle has that obviously most griddles don't have is their lift-off technology. So this can go on a tailgate, it can go on your table. I have workbenches over here. I'm going to demonstrate taking the lid off and putting it on there so you guys can check it out. It's great for a tailgate. Now, I have a tailgate. It's in I have a big truck, right? It's in the front, I'm in the back. I was planning on doing a whole tailgating montage, and maybe I will on my next video, but Waltman families come down with the plague, so I am not feeling 100%. I'm shooting this video in the middle of not feeling well, and I just don't have the energy to take it out to the front and set up a whole tailgate montage for you. Just take my word on it that you can put it out there. But I am going to move it to my workbench over here so you can see what I'm talking about. Come on back. You gotta undo the hose from the propane bottle. Lift it up. I'm gonna put it on the workbench right here. Now I do suggest that you take out the griddle plate and then move this separately, just because both of those things in there together, relatively heavy. Otherwise, make it a two-person job, okay? Move the griddle plate back on, line up the screw holes. Got the griddle plate back on. All right, it's ready for the tailgate or my workbench. And then screw on your propane bottle into the hose and you're ready to go. Same setup, okay? I'm gonna take this off the workbench, put it on back on the stand, and then we'll get started on the cooking comparison. All right, come on back. Got that good crust that you want on a smash burger. This is the Blackstone smash burgers. All right, these burgers are done. We got a double cheeseburger going on here. This is the healthy one. All right, there you go. All right, so cleaning up the Blackstone. We're getting some water on there. We're gonna help steam off all that grease and grime and whatnot. Watch that steam on you. Take a nice rag. You gotta oil it up every time after you get done using it. I'm at an angle over here. I think, you know, probably already said something about that. So every time after you get done using this Blackstone, you gotta heat it through, clean it up, oil it up, heat it through again. Let this oil kind of burn off again, and then we'll be done. Got our ceramic surface over here. I only got 2 of the burners late. Let's get some seasoning on there, a little more Uncle Steve's. All right, so the next big comment will be using metal on this ceramic coating. Now, the Pit Boss company line is no metal on this. It's not recommended. The Cooking with CJ company line is, I was a dummy and used metal already, and it hasn't been any issues. I've used metal a couple of times, so take that for what it's worth. All right, we're smashing the same way. Time to flip them over. Telling you what, we got some good crustification on those. Look at that crust going. Looking dang good. Dig it, baby. We're only gonna put cheese on one of these. We'll do the star of flavor. And then just like on the Blackstone, we can cover it and melt it from the top. It's a dang good looking burger right there though. All right, folks, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. We got the heat on right now. We're just gonna use a little bit of water. I know this is janky as all get out, but I can't find my square bottle that I put everything in, so. But it's just that simple. You're not even really scraping right here. You're kind of letting the water do the work. You're not using any force really to get this going. Push it down to the grease trough. All right, one last little thing full of water here. All right, we're gonna use a nice little towel here. Just clean it all up. All right, clean as a whistle, and we're ready to roll on the next one. All right, y'all, that's about it. I've shown you the pros on each of these. The cost-wise, relatively similar. The Blackstone's about 700 bucks at Lowe's. The Ultimate Griddle's a little over 600 bucks on their website. I know you can get the Ultimate Griddle's brother, the Sierra series, at Walmart. I'll put a link down below for the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. That is an affiliate link to Pit Boss. You check it out. It doesn't cost you anything else, but it helps out the channel. I will try to find like an Amazon affiliate link for the Blackstone if you want to check that one out. Team, I hope you like this little comparison. Again, comment down below what you'd like to see me do on these 2 different griddles for more comparison videos. But as far as this one goes, we're done. Thank you all for sticking around this far. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, hit that join button, get your name on the end scroll like the rest of these awesome people right here, become a show producer. But that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.